So we'll have some higher winds that gust into the area as we get into Wednesday. In fact, the breeze is going to begin to pick up overnight tonight with wind gusts by midday tomorrow, closer to about 45 miles per hour. That's going to plunge our wind chill eventually by tomorrow afternoon, really into tomorrow evening. In fact, right around this time, near or below zero as we go through dusk and after dusk tomorrow. So count on this. It will be windy and it will be cold. One of those views that you could just imagine the camera that's going to be shaken tomorrow. Fifth Third Bank camera, fairly calm and still at this point. Clear visibility as we look down towards Summit Street and some of the lights twinkling away in downtown Toledo. Calm winds, quite a contrast to what we're going to be expecting tomorrow, 35 degrees and a high wind advisory. This has been hoisted and put in place for tomorrow. Swings into effect tomorrow morning. We'll carry it through the afternoon into the evening for wind gusts to 45 miles per hour. Not out of the question. A few isolated gusts could briefly exceed that and head toward 50 miles per hour. Still looking at current temperatures this evening, low to mid 30s. And the thing is, we don't drop off much from here. We're actually going to hold steady in the low to mid 30s as we go into tomorrow morning. So the timeline is going to look like this. Tomorrow morning, turning breezy, still will be mild. So if you step out the door and think, boy, it doesn't feel too bad quite yet, just wait. By tomorrow afternoon, it'll be a whole different feeling day. A few flurries or a sprinkle through the afternoon. That fronts through the area by mid to late morning. It will turn bitterly cold. Wind chills will plunge close to zero by dusk on Wednesday, within 24 hours. Now, our hour-by-hour forecast tonight does have dry conditions through midnight, mostly cloudy skies, and I do expect thicker clouds tonight to tomorrow morning. And here it is. We pop that wind into the picture tomorrow morning, the front that comes through. It may very well bring an isolated snow shower, a couple flurries, but nothing that's going to accumulate. But the winds will still be howling through the afternoon. 40 to 45, even up to 50 mile per hour wind gusts. Now, this is really going to favor some heavy lake effect snows. Western Lake Michigan, those are the favorable areas for that. We only catch a few flurries. And again, more lake effect snows east of Cleveland toward upstate New York, where they could get some heavier lake effect snow accumulations. Windy weather will stick around into Wednesday evening. Now, watch our wind chills. Tomorrow morning, what you'd expect for a January morning, mid to upper 20s, nothing unusual, but by the afternoon and evening, that's when the colder air arrives, the wind gusts stay high, and we're going to be near single-digit wind chills, perhaps even slipping below zero as we go after dark for your Wednesday. Tonight, mild breeze keeps us steady right around the low 30s, and into tomorrow morning, we'll have our high early, mid-morning, 34 degrees, and we'll drop, could even see the teens by early evening. Colder and windy weather will be expected. Low 20s then Thursday. A few flurries Thursday, Friday, lower 20s on Friday, back into the mid-30s Saturday, and Sunday closes in on 40 degrees with a chance we get a few showers Sunday. And some more cold as we go into the middle of January next week. Highs in the mid to upper 20s.
Chris, it could be worse. I mean, here it is. Even the cold snap we're going to get is about a month late, and it's only going to be 3 days, and then we get back into the 40s on the weekend.
And that's kind of how it's been so far, Dan. We're getting a little taste of winter. We always said, you know, we're going to get cold weather. We're going to get snow. But the big thing is the duration of it. And this time around, it's a couple days of cold weather. Same next week, a couple days of cold weather. We don't really see that major pattern flip, which, you know, could be out there, that sends us for a couple weeks of that cold Arctic chill.
I was talking to my 90-year-old dad today. He lives in central Illinois, and he's a weather geek like I am. He follows this stuff. He says, you know, January 15th, right around that time, is when our daily high bottoms out. We start going back up again. The days are getting longer already, and here we are. The temperature's starting getting warmer.
I often refer to that, in fact, as the bottom of winter, and we're just about a couple weeks away from that mark. So something to look forward to.
Chris, thank you.